I call this cocktail the Mambo Italiano. What I'm trying to do here is kind of imitate the little rainbow cake cookie things you get during the holidays from Italian bakeries. I want that flavor in here. So that flavor is almond. So what I have here is my secret ingredient. It's almond simple syrup or orgeat, as they call it. You can get this at any supermarket. They sell it everywhere. They have it at all those coffee shops, the little syrups that they flavor the coffee with. And this is a really simple, easy cocktail. It's pretty light. It's not particularly boozy, which is nice. First of all, I'm going to start out with some orange liqueur.
I think this is brilliant. Everyone loves rainbow cookies, and the idea that you designed a cocktail that tastes like a rainbow cookie is pretty crazy.
And I'm trying to do the colors too, so that's why we're using pomegranate juice, because those rainbow cookies are like
super colorful,
red and orange and yellow, and they're really pretty. So we're doing a little bit of pomegranate juice. You could probably use cranberry juice if you want, but I think pomegranate juice is better. It's not as tart as cranberry juice. And then we're going to add the secret ingredient, orgeat, or almond simple syrup. Oh, this has a little thingamabob on top.
Is that the technical term for bartenders, honey? The thingamabob?
It's called the thingamabob, or the bob-a-thing. Then I'm going to add some ice to that and shake it up. I have, as you can see on the counter, a couple of champagne. Actually, these are not champagne.
They're cocktail
glasses. They're like old school cocktail martini glasses because they're a little bigger, and this drink's going to have a little more liquid than just a little coupe would accommodate. But what I do typically is that I'll put the ice and a little bit of water in the glasses before I start making the cocktail, and that way by the time the cocktail is ready, the glasses are nice and chilled. Or you can just keep them in the freezer if you have room. Whatever you want. Doesn't bother me a bit. Let me just pour these out. We're back home, so I got an actual bar back there. It's very exciting.
That's right. We are back, and you have a full bar. Wow.
With a sink and everything. So this is going to be, just the bottom third of the glass. Then you're going to top it with sparkling white wine of your choice. You can use Prosecco, which is Italian, so that makes sense. We're using
a little bit lighter, a touch sweeter, right?
Right. We're using champagne just because we had some handy.
We had some handy. We always have some champagne handy for my sister Maria. It's
we
the only,
always have champagne
the only
handy.
thing. That's how she gets paid every day, for being auntie and taking Bella to school and for helping us out with so many things. We must always have chilled, proper champagne on hand.
Now, just to get more color and a little bit citrus flavor in there, I am zesting. Whoa! I did it over that one, and it won in that one.
I think that means I win a prize or something. I don't know.
I'm zesting a lime. I have this thing called a channel knife. You can just use a vegetable peeler or a regular knife. But basically,
you already did mine. Do your own.
I know. Well, I zested over that one. Now I need to zest over this one and then put this one in that one. Basically, you want to...
He's really uptight about this.
You want to zest it over the top of the drink so the oils from the skin express into the drink. Okay.
Can we cheers?
We just want to cheers and drink this thing. Hopefully it tastes like a Christmas cookie.
And this is Mambo Italiano?
Mambo Italiano.
Mambo Italiano. Cheers. Oh.
That's pretty good,
wow.
huh? We have a winner,
wow.
ladies and gentlemen.
It really does taste like rainbow cookies.
It tastes like rainbow cookies.
Dude.